Namaste, everybody, and welcome back to another episode of Enlightening Elixirs by Life Itself. Today, we are continuing our PoTi series with a Chaga Chai Po-Ti. So, we're going to start with our tea or tea concentrate. Next, we'll move on to our Chaga Concentrate, 2 ounces. And then you'll add anywhere from half a tablespoon to a tablespoon of ghee. Once again, ghee is the traditionally used fat source in this, drank by Tibetan monks, Nepalese monks. So we like to use ghee. If you're vegan, you can use cacao butter would be a great replacement. So from there, if you've got it in your frother, just press go. Once again, if you don't have a frother, you can heat up your tea and your concentrate and just use one of these electric stick blenders and whiz it up this way, and it works just as good. So we'll just wait a couple moments here for this to get nice and hot. This is a great beverage in the morning to help you if you're intermittent fasting to keep your energy levels high. The fat source actually helps to slow down the release of caffeine. So you're not going to feel a huge jump of energy, nervous system dysregulation, and then a crash. You're going to feel a nice moderate release of caffeine that'll keep you focused and energized for your whole day. All right. Now let's pour this baby up. Smells so good. Chaga Chai Po-Ti. Enjoy.